Here's part one of my rebuild. Just gonna try something new this time. Gonna try to run 410s, a horn and a tweeter in each door. Start off with completely new. Just start out new fiberglass door panels completely. I'm still debating on which ones I want to keep. I might run 4 of these per door. Really debating on these though, but I'll make them so it can fit either or with no problem. Still got my horn and my tweeter, but it's part one of my rebuild. Alright, I'll keep you posted. Oh yeah, here, that's my old doors. Keep them just in case I decide to go back down and change up plans again. But alright.